Have you ever wanted to add audio directly to your WordPress posts or pages without relying on external players? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using the WordPress audio block. It's simple, quick, and gives your website a professional touch. First, navigate to the post or page where you want to add your audio. Click the plus icon to add a new block, then either search for audio or simply type /audio on a new line. You'll see the audio block appear, ready to use. Next, it's time to add your audio. You have three options. Upload a file directly from your computer, choose one from your existing media library, or insert an audio file via a URL. Once your audio is added, WordPress automatically generates a sleek audio player right inside your content. Now let's make it yours. Click on the block to open the settings sidebar. Here, you can customize the player's appearance, choose whether it autoplays, and even enable or disable the download button for your visitors. It's that easy to make your audio content look exactly how you want. Adding audio to your posts or pages can enhance engagement, provide tutorials, podcasts, or even music, all without leaving WordPress. By using the audio block, you're keeping your site clean, professional, and user-friendly. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can make your WordPress content sound as good as it looks. Try it out today and start sharing your audio effortlessly with your audience.